Today we're going to be removing some fine lines and wrinkles on your face. You don't need much to get started, just yourself. It'll only take a few minutes. Let's go ahead and start rubbing our hands together. We're creating friction in our hands so that way heat arises. And we're going to take that energy that we're creating and we're going to place it right over each one of our eyes. And you're going to want to hold this until you feel heat in your face. What we're doing is we're sending our energy into those fine lines and wrinkles on our face so we can start removing them. Let's create some more heat with our hands. And as soon as they're nice and warm, we're going to place them over our smile lines. And just hold until you feel the heat going into your skin. And as soon as you do, you can go ahead and remove it. Now we're going to take our 2 fingertips and we're only going to be doing a nickel's worth of pressure with these next moves. We're going to want to place them right in between our eyebrows and our nose. It's an important shiatsu point. And we're just going to hold nickel's worth of pressure for about 5 seconds. Holding that light pressure on this spot. Now we're going to start to do little circles. You'll notice that we only held that spot for about 5 seconds. So it's a short hold. Now we're doing small circles going across the top of the eyebrow, ending at the base of the eyebrow. Now we're going to repeat this move by moving up, working on our next wrinkle. What we're doing is we're creating small official little tears in the skin here, telling our body, hey, we need some help with these wrinkles. Our intent is to promote collagen production in these areas. Now we're moving all the way up, always moving in an upward position on our face. We're working against gravity here, guys. So you want to do the whole forehead. So after you've done that, we're going to go ahead and we're going to move down to either side of the nose. So you don't want to go into the eye socket. You want to come just below it. Once again, nickel's worth of pressure right below that eye socket. Hold the points with your fingers, and we're going to be doing small circles. Going across that cheekbone and going up into that temple. Ending at the base of that eyebrow. We're going to repeat this. We're going to move down just a little bit. So now we're at the base of the nose. Once again, doing small circles. There we go. You got this. See how we're moving upward? Always moving upward. And at the base of that eyebrow again. Next, we're going to be working on our smile lines. So I want you to take your 2 fingers on either side, and I want you to place them right above the chin and right below the lip. And we're going to once again do small circles. Work on this whole smile line. It's important that we're always smiling. The only problem is it gives us lines. So you're going to want to end right at the base of your nose. We're going to go back, but this time we're going to go out a little further to start. For those of you that have really big smile lines. And do the little circles coming all the way up and ending at the base of the nose. Now the next piece, for anybody that has those jaws that are a little bit loose that we want to work on, this next move is perfect. So you want to take your fingertips, a little circle. Starting right at the base of that jaw, we're going to go all the way along the jawline here. And then we're going to come up. We're going all the way up till we get to that eyebrow. Perfect. Now the next piece we're going to do is light tapping with our fingertips. Always going up. Promoting collagen growth with this. Go ahead and repeat this move 3 times. After you've done that, we're going to end with creating more heat. So let's create that friction, get some heat in our hands. We're going to place it over our entire face, allowing the heat to sink into those wrinkles and all the areas we just worked on. And as soon as you feel that heat in your face, you can go ahead and let your hands down. You want to repeat these moves daily to remove fine lines and wrinkles. You will notice a difference as you do this daily. Enjoy!
Ready to elevate your self-care routine? Head over to www.solosage.com for exclusive access to over 50 self-care massage techniques. Whether you're on the go or winding down at home, our Solosage system has you covered. Sign up today and start pampering yourself and your loved ones like never before.